Member Eka Gender, Women and Children Committee, Warm Rashibe Fie Ano. Now was I am Rashibe Nima New Juaben North, about Pesiaso, and now say G, or the two abandon anymore, say Women's Development Bank and a day. I buy and her say, Bayana Sim here pa, never bemun so, let me up where in Concumanimo Abwa.
Our yam Rashibe ewo New Juaben North, Nana or say a J, Edia Tuja say.
Last year, when they brought their budget to the floor, I raised the issue of the inadequate money they have allocated for the establishment of the Women's Development Bank. In this country, we have acts that establishes banks in this country. We have Act 930 that gives the requirements for a universal bank. And we have Act 1032 that also spells out the requirements for the establishment of a development bank. I have to commend them. In the budget, the finance minister has allocated 401 million Ghana cedis for the Women's Development Bank.
What the Atuja say, Sabino air train say, one more ebe share Jumedi Asino, and will be here pass or betty a year desky be, a war a buying banks awodomu.
Yes, I allocate here, yes, the software, no, they are renting a dining, they are doing the income. That is establishment. I did about as a seasoned banker, my banker Juma for over 25 years. Nyameti mi akacho mo say, ufa ADB, ufa NIB, ufa CBG, ufa APES, ufa rural banks udo mu nyina boma omukra over 1,300